Q services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. Pistons for the Ww965 and different pumps that are being used with this piston. Sometimes what you find, these are new pistons, they'll start to get a coating on which damages the seals and they'll lose that top coating. Mass regular, how do you get the pistons off? If you look carefully, you will see there's an Allen key stud. An Allen key in to get the piston off. So just simply put the actual Allen key inside the piston and unscrew. Make sure that when you put it back on, you'll see that the thread in the bottom, make sure you've got a bit of Loctite inside there and leave it for 5 or 10 minutes for the Loctite to go off before using again. And just let it set. Like I say, a little touch of Loctite in the bottom and lock them off. And that's for the Ww965, 964 and so on. Thank you very much. Q services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. And they're a 13mm piston. Thank you.